up guys, it's Eric from B-Side. Today we have here a 2023 Toyota GR Corolla and we're going to be installing our micro power amplifier. So this car already comes with a factory JBL system, but somehow, some way, it still doesn't sound that good. So we're going to go ahead and improve it. Very easy. It only takes literally 10 minutes to install this, and I'm going to show you how easy it is. And I'm going to show you before and after, how much difference it makes to really make your factory JBL system come out alive. And this kit is also compatible for vehicles without JBL. It also makes a very significant difference. And at the price point of $299, it's one of the products that will make the biggest change in your sound system. So let's go inside the car, install this amplifier. So let's get started. All right guys, now that we're in the vehicle, let's go ahead and install our kit. So first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna go ahead and remove this radio here. In order to do that, we're gonna pop off this cover here. Just go ahead and grab this and just pull it towards you. Just pull out the trim, okay? Like so. And then we're gonna go ahead and remove this climate control piece. You could place a panel removal tool and pop it off like this. You could just grab a hold of this and just pull it towards you, okay? All right. And once you have this out, go ahead and press down on the release tab on the connector, and then go ahead and remove it. Up, down, one down there and one up here. All right. Okay, so once you do this, it's gonna expose 4 10mm bolts, 1, 2, 3, 4. We're gonna go ahead and remove those. Okay, so once we got the 4 10mm bolts out, go ahead and lay a thick towel here, and we're gonna pull this radio out and set it on this. Okay. And after we do that, we're gonna go ahead and plug our amplifier in, and we're gonna go ahead and tuck it behind the radio. The connectors we're gonna be working on are these two right here. This one here and this one here. All right, let me get my amp ready. So once you open our micro power amplifier kit, you'll find the amp and you'll find our plug and play harness. So let's go ahead and first do the connections behind the radio. So just to have more room, we're going to unplug these two. Just press down on the release tab and just pull on the connector. Okay, and this one. And then this is our wire or connector for our power. All right, so let's go ahead and connect our power. So when you're pushing this, make sure you hear that click. So you got to push it in pretty hard, okay, until you hear that click. Okay, there it is. All right, and then our speaker wire. All right, and then we also have our other harness here. This will connect into the radio like that. And then the other side of this, these two will connect to the amp. Okay. There we go. And we are going to ground this right here. This is an 8mm bolt. You could loosen it by using an 8mm socket or a Phillips screwdriver. You want to face this downwards like this, right? All right, sweet. Okay, and let me go ahead and plug these two factory cables back in here. All right, so now that all this is out, let's go ahead and turn it on, make sure everything's working, and let me also tune the gain. All right, okay, cool. And then let's go ahead and wrap this with some foam tape, and we are going to just tuck it in behind the radio. There's a lot of room back here, so you won't have any problem finding space for it. All right, so we managed to find some space on the right side of the radio. So go straight back to the right. Okay, it's pretty deep back there. And did a shake test, it's not moving at all. So yeah, this is a preferred mounting space. And just note that the amplifier, you can't really tell from here, but it's positioned this way, like long way, and it's put against this side. All right, so it's in there pretty good. I'm gonna go ahead and organize the cables and reverse order we just did. All right, guys, so we just finished installing our micro power amplifier. So we're going to do it after to compare with the before. And to do this, we are going to use the same exact volume level that was used on the before, which is 25. So let me go ahead and plug this in. And we're also going to, of course, use the same music. All right, just bear with me here.
Stop that, yeah. I hear him chat from the noise. Move too quick, can't stop for the talking. I hear him chat with the boys. Man, so tough, but must keep walking. Just too sharp with the prize. White girls better tell me I'm awesome, yeah. Hot like fire on the pot.
What's there to hold in the light of this moon? My mind keeps searching, but my heart decides. Thoughts can be cruel, they're not mine to own. The space unravels when you let go.
All right, guys, well, this concludes our installation and demonstration and before and after video of our micro power amplifier. This is one of our most underrated product, and believe me when I say this, it's gonna make the biggest change in your sound system. So if you are looking for a better sounding system and you are not totally satisfied with your factory JBL or even the non-JBL, and you feel like the sound is just not dynamic enough, it's just not clear, or you just don't hear enough sound from the back, especially from your factory subwoofer, then this is an upgrade that you need to get. So give it a try. If you have any questions, leave a comment below, or you can email us at bsonicusa.com. And once again, if you haven't yet, help us by liking this video and subscribing to our channel. Thank you very much. I'll see you guys on the next video.